The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 continues its legacy as a high-performance luxury SUV with a bold design, cutting-edge technology, and an unyielding off-road pedigree. Updated for 2025, it blends iconic styling with modern enhancements, catering to both luxury enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Exterior: the 2025 G63 retains its signature boxy silhouette with modern touches, such as refined LED headlights, a larger AMG-specific grille, and aerodynamic enhancements. Optional 22-inch wheels, new metallic paint options, and rugged skid plates add to its commanding road presence. Performance: powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, the AMG G63 generates an impressive 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-ft of torque. It features AMG ride control suspension, 4MATIC all-wheel drive, and multiple off-road modes, delivering unmatched capability on any terrain. The 0 to 60 mph sprint is achieved in just 4.5 seconds. Interior: the cabin exudes luxury, with Nappa leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and a 12.3-inch digital cockpit. Ambient lighting, Burmester surround sound, and advanced connectivity options ensure a first-class experience. Spacious seating and a customizable rear cargo area enhance practicality. Price: the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 starts at approximately $180,000, with options and bespoke packages potentially raising the price significantly. Safety: equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and active brake assist, the G63 prioritizes safety. Its reinforced frame and multiple airbags further enhance occupant protection. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 combines legendary performance, luxurious comfort, and rugged capability. It remains a status symbol and a top choice for those seeking a premium SUV with unmatched versatility and style.